Yesterday's low pressure system certainly brought plenty of wind here in the desert, but it also brought snow to our mountains. We had that winter weather advisory in effect. Well, here's some of the snow reports. Mountain High as well as Snow Summit ranging between 4 to 6 inches, Idlewild 2 inches, even Pioneer Town in the high desert. 1 inch of snow. Really nice to see continued snow totals this late in the season. Right now, our satellite and radar are looking very different than what it did yesterday when we were continuing to track some light rain even across portions of the Coachella Valley and that snow across our mountains and high desert. Now an abundance of sunshine and our sunset not till 6:55, so you get to enjoy the light that much longer. Here we are heading into spring, and our temperatures are going to be reflecting that very soon. Right now, though, staying nice and mild. We only had a high of 70 degrees this afternoon. Average for the date would be 79, but right now hanging out at 67 in Palm Springs, 63 in Cathedral City, 70 though predominantly from the center of the Coachella Valley into the East Valley. Through the rest of this evening, those temperatures are going to be cooling off rather slow. But look at March as a whole so far. It's been a pretty cool month. When you see a blue box, that's indicating a day below the average high for the day in Palm Springs. We're seeing more blue than red, which is a nice change up, but we know warmer days are only ahead of us. So as that area of low pressure that brought us all of the wet weather and the wind is working its way off towards the east, we are going to be dealing with a bit of high pressure building in behind it. And that's going to allow our temperatures to warm even into the low 80s later on this week. It's not going to last. That warm up is going to be short-lived because of another system that will be moving into the west coast this weekend and more so into early next week. And of course, that means a bit more wind for those of us here in the desert. Right now, no, not looking to be as extreme as what we just experienced. However, just goes to show that our weather pattern is consistently changing, and so we always want you checking back for the latest details with your forecast. On your Comfort Air 7-day forecast tomorrow, warmer than today, partly cloudy skies, and then the 80s are joining for the final days of the winter season. On Saturday, that's when the equinox occurs at 2:37 in the morning, and that means it is the official start of the spring season. John, Karen?
Okay, a lot of consistency there. I like that.
It's looking good, yeah.
And I like the beginning of spring.
Thanks, Haley.
If you're